Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best moving boxes is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked aspects of a successful relocation, ensuring your cherished belongings arrive at their new destination unscathed and organized, making the entire process significantly less stressful and more efficient. Number 5. Bryco Goods 18 Brown Kraft Packing Paper. Unleash your creativity with this versatile brown craft paper. It's perfect for a wide range of arts and crafts projects, allowing you to express yourself in countless ways. Moving soon. This generous roll provides ample paper to protect your belongings during relocation. It's an excellent solution for packing your entire house with ease. This paper offers strong and reliable protection for your items. Its thick, durable construction ensures excellent defense during shipping and handling. Spark your child's imagination with this fantastic art supply. It's perfect for various mediums like paint, crayons, and markers, making it a great choice for kids' creative endeavors. Easily create your own custom bulletin boards. You can cut this paper to any size or shape, making it ideal for decorating spaces or displaying your work. Make an environmentally friendly choice for your projects. This multi-purpose paper is crafted from recycled materials, perfect for gift wrapping, shipping, and various crafting needs. What we like. This product offers an extensive roll, perfect for large-scale moves or extensive crafting projects. Its eco-friendly nature makes it a great choice for conscious consumers. If you're looking for a bulk solution that's good for the planet, you should consider this. What people say. The paper is thick and durable, providing excellent cushioning for fragile items. It's easy to tear and wrap around objects, saving time during packing. The large sheets cover a good surface area, reducing the number of sheets needed. Number 4. Mighty Gadget Foam Packing Sheets. Introducing Mighty Gadget Foam Packing Sheets, your ultimate solution for protecting fragile items. These pre-cut sheets offer consistent sizing for quick and efficient packing. With a 1/16-inch thickness, these sheets provide excellent cushioning to minimize chips, cracks, and scratches. They are perfect for moving, storage, and shipping. The non-abrasive and dust-free surface ensures gentle contact with delicate items. Use them for plates, mugs, cookware, art, and electronics without worry. These foam sheets are flexible, tear-resistant, and can be reused multiple times. This helps reduce packing waste and is a more sustainable choice. Ideal for dishes, glassware, and as protective layers between stacked items. They are perfect for both home moves and e-commerce shipments, offering versatile protection. What we like. These pre-cut sheets provide consistent sizing and gentle cushioning, ideal for delicate items. They are also reusable, making them an economical choice. If you are packing fragile items like dishes or glassware and want a convenient, protective solution, you should consider this. What people say. The paper is thick and durable, providing excellent cushioning for fragile items. It's easy to tear and wrap around objects, saving time during packing. The large sheets cover a good surface area, reducing the number of sheets needed. Number 3. Bryco Goods Packing Paper Sheets. Enhance the safety of your glassware and prized possessions during your move. These premium sheets offer superior protection and are reusable, resisting tears when wrapping items. Say goodbye to moving stress with 640 versatile sheets. No item will go unprotected, and each sheet can be reused multiple times thanks to its durable construction. Trust in the exceptional quality of our American-made packaging paper. They envelope your belongings with top-notch care and are designed not to tear easily. Measuring 27 by 17 inches each, these sheets ensure efficient packing of your valuables. They are also reusable for future moves or storage. Avoid the heartbreak of shattered glassware and cracked valuables. Our moving wrap paper assures a breezy moving experience, built strong to resist tearing and made to be reused. What we like. With a generous sheet size and durable construction, this option ensures your valuables are well protected during a move. The reusability adds to its value. If you have larger items to pack or are looking for robust, long-lasting packing material, you should consider this. What people say. This packaging paper is great for protecting fragile items. The paper is thick and durable, providing excellent cushioning. It's easy to tear and wrap around objects of various shapes and sizes. Number 2. Bryco Goods Newsprint Packing Paper Sheets. Ensure the utmost protection for your glassware and other valuables during relocation. This premium packing paper is designed for dish pack paper and other fragile items. Say goodbye to moving stress and hello to convenience. With these versatile newsprint paper sheets, packing becomes a breeze. Made in the USA, we provide superior quality packaging paper. Our newsprint paper is a key component of your moving supplies, ensuring your belongings experience top-notch care. Each sheet measures 27 by 17 inches. This light packing paper wraps your prized possessions with precision, making it an essential part of your moving packing material. Prevent shattered glassware and cracked valuables with our moving packing paper sheets. They make moving a breeze, ensuring a smooth and easy experience. What we like? This lightweight paper comes in an efficient size, making it easy to wrap smaller items quickly. It's a cost-effective solution for general packing needs. If you're looking for an affordable way to protect everyday items or need to pack many small objects, you should consider this. What people say. The paper is strong and thick, making it ideal for protecting fragile items during a move. It's easy to cut and wrap around various shapes and sizes of objects, providing a secure layer of cushioning. The paper is unprinted and acid-free, ensuring it won't damage delicate surfaces or leave marks on valuables. Number 1. White Tissue Ream 15x20. Introducing our high-quality white tissue paper. It's perfect for a variety of crafting and packaging needs. Each sheet measures a generous 15 by 20 inches, providing ample coverage for your projects. You'll receive a substantial pack of 960 sheets, ensuring you have plenty on hand for any task. Its versatility makes it a reliable choice for gift wrapping, protective cushioning, or artistic endeavors. Achieve professional and elegant results with this essential supply. It's designed for both durability and aesthetic appeal. What we like? This option provides a very high quantity of sheets, perfect for extensive packing needs where delicate protection is key. Its lightweight nature makes it easy to handle. If you have a large number of delicate items to pack and want a generous supply of protective material, you should consider this. What people say. The paper is thick and durable, providing excellent cushioning for fragile items. It's easy to tear and wrap around objects of various shapes and sizes. The paper is unprinted and acid-free, making it safe for valuable or antique items. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.